Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing. In today's video, I'll be covering 10 cleaning business tips that every cleaning business owner should know. So let's get into it. So the first tip that you want to understand is that you want to learn from failure, but also learn from success and other successful business owners. A lot of people will start a cleaning business and really they grow and learn via trial and error. And certainly that's one way to learn and grow, but there's a lot of resources out there. There's a lot of other leaders that have built successful cleaning businesses in the past that you can actually match and model and learn from them as well. So learn from your own mistakes, learn from your own failures, but also learn from failures and mistakes of people that have come before you and built successful cleaning businesses, and then also learn from their successes as well. Because when you match and model people that have found success in something that you want to create success in, it's a lot easier to just follow that path and get similar results in your cleaning business. Tip number 2 is to avoid the one-size-fits-all mentality when building your cleaning business. Now, certainly there are aspects that you probably want to include as a part of your cleaning business marketing strategy, as part of your business plan. Probably services that you offer are going to be similar across the board. At the same time though, don't look at your business as a one-size-fits-all. You want to niche down and specialize in addition to providing services that the general cleaning client is going to want. And so this really boils down to highlighting your core difference of your business. What separates you from the competition? Why should someone do business with your cleaning business versus another cleaning business? So not only do you want to describe this on your website and in your marketing, but you also want to highlight the benefits of why people will work with you as well. Most cleaning business owners make the mistake of only highlighting the features of the services that they offer, or even maybe just listing their features and listing the services on their website, but they really never get behind and dive deeper into the end benefits that somebody's going to get by working with you. And again, when you highlight your core difference and why someone should work with you, it can lead to more conversions. It's very easy for people to request estimates from a bunch of different cleaning companies at the same time. And so if your website and your messaging looks the exact same as everyone else, people will have an easy time choosing the competition over you. But when you highlight your core difference and what makes you stand out in your specialization, it can help increase conversions and lead to more cleaning clients for your business. Tip number 3 is to be positive. And a lot of times when you're building your cleaning business, you are going to encounter challenges. You're going to encounter frustration, setbacks. You may run into difficult clients. You may have people cancel their services. Crazy things might happen to the economy. Like we're experiencing now, people may be hesitant to hire a cleaning service, businesses might shut down. So you're gonna have ups and downs as your business progresses and grows, but you really wanna remain positive in these situations. Always look at this as an opportunity to learn and grow and to maybe change directions in your cleaning business that could lead to more profits down the road. So again, maybe you have a house cleaning business and customers aren't looking for that as much right now. Maybe they're looking for more sanitizing and disinfecting services. So maybe you make that shift or start to transition into the commercial side of business. If you have a commercial business, maybe you want to add a residential branch to help even out cash flow throughout the year for your business. And so you take that challenge, that setback of uneven cash flow and turn that into a positive by expanding into a new branch in your business. So again, always look for the positive, always look at how negative situations can turn into positives and help your cleaning business grow more effectively for the future. Tip number 4 is to hire character and train for skills. And so what this means is that you want to look for the best people, not necessarily the best skills right off the bat. You don't necessarily need to hire cleaning technicians that have a ton of experience already. You want to be hiring people that are positive, that are go-getters, potentially outgoing, as that can have an impact of how they interact with your customers. And again, the overall skills, you can really train that to anyone. And so first and foremost, look for the right people and then build and develop them into the people that you ideally want to help you grow your cleaning business. So look for character first and train skills second. Tip number 5 is to be an innovator. And this ties in with that cookie cutter mindset of not making your business a one size fits all. Look for unique ways and opportunities to promote your business, to expand business, to add to your customer base. Think outside of the box, because that can really help you expand into potentially unique niches that no one else is utilizing, and it can help you stay afloat in the cleaning business industry, which is a very competitive industry. So continue to innovate, continue to make things better, look for ways to provide better service, improve production rates, and more, as that can really help you stand out from the competition. And same thing with not being a cookie cutter, one size fits all business. Make sure that you highlight these innovations in your messaging and in your marketing to help people choose you over the competition. Tip number 6 is to take care of your customers. A lot of people don't necessarily think this way, and they just want to go through the numbers, provide as much cleaning as possible. They may lose customers, they may keep them, they don't really care. It's all about the numbers and all about the profit. And to some extent that's important, but when you treat customers right, you keep them coming back for more. And that also really plays into your overall marketing strategy of maintaining a positive reputation for your cleaning business. And this can make a huge difference, because most people, when they choose to do business with your company, one of the first places they're going to look are your reviews. They're going to take a look at your reputation. They're going to ask around, see what other people have to say about your business. And if you are treating your customers with respect, you're providing great service, most people have nothing but good things to say about your business, and this can lead to new business and new customers getting started with your cleaning company. Also, when you provide great service, great customer support, and treat your customers well, they're much more likely to refer your business to their friends and other people that they know. And so maintain that positive relationship with your customers, as it can create multiple returns down the road. Tip number 7 is to encourage excellence from your staff. And so what this means is that you want to spend time and energy pouring into your staff and developing the people in your organization. Because when you build people, people build your business. And so a lot of people will neglect this part, or they'll hit a plateau in their cleaning business and they don't really understand why they can't break through and why they can't reach that next level. And a lot of it has to do with their team and the leadership level within their organization. So take the time to invest back into your employees, help them develop skills to take themselves to the next level, and that in turn can help take your business to the next level. Tip number 8 is to develop a business plan and marketing plan, and then stay focused to carry that out. You've probably heard the saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail, and that really holds true in cleaning businesses as well. You want to develop a business plan and stick to it, and that includes your marketing plan as well. A lot of times what we see is cleaning business owners will have a general idea of what they want to do in their marketing, but they don't stick it out long term, or they just have a quick fix mindset where they want to start marketing and they expect overnight results, or they put a couple $100s into advertising and they expect overnight success and hundreds of leads just flowing in. And that's not really the case of how things work. It's a process to create success. Anything worthwhile takes time to develop and build, and the same thing applies to your cleaning business and developing a successful cleaning business. So build a business plan, build a marketing plan, stay focused on that, stay consistent, and it can create massive returns and growth down the road when you adhere to that consistency and focus on your business plan and marketing plan. Tip number 9 is to focus some time on yourself and recharging your batteries as a business owner. A lot of times what we see is people get extremely focused and dedicated on their business, and that's great to have that, but they never really take time for themselves, to work on themselves, to take a break and create that work-life balance. Certainly in the beginning, you're going to need to spend a lot of time focused on building your business, and so you may neglect yourself and be out of balance in the beginning. But over the long haul, make sure that you work in time for yourself to recharge, as that can make a big impact on the success of your business in the long term. One thing that we find is a lot of cleaning business owners get burnt out, they get frustrated, and it negatively impacts their business because they never take time for themselves. So you might need to find yourself scheduling time to have fun, to scheduling time for yourself to create that recharge and to get yourself back in the right mindset when it is time to focus and it is time to build your business, so you can make the most out of that time. Tip number 10 is to get the right support and training right away when you're first getting started in your business. So many times we run into cleaning business owners that are struggling, that have hit a plateau, that aren't where they want to be, and they've been in business for years and they're not experiencing the cleaning business they imagined they'd have when they first got started. And a big reason for this is they try and do everything on their own. They don't reach out to support. They don't tap into the resources and training that's out there. And like I said, they try and do everything on their own, and they're only really learning through trial and error. So one thing that we've done with our partner sites of the Janitorial Store and MyHouseCleaningBiz.com is we've put together hundreds of resources and training articles, training courses, certifications, and more to help you build a successful cleaning business. So if you're out there, just understand you aren't alone. There's mentors and coaches and resources available to you to help you get through your learning curve faster and build that successful cleaning business you've always dreamed of. So if you'd like to tap into those resources, be sure to head over to thejanitorialstore.com as well as myhousecleaningbiz.com. And I encourage you to become a member at those sites as well to get access to even more training and resources and mentorship to help you build a successful cleaning business. But again, hopefully you enjoyed these top 10 cleaning business success tips. If you did, be sure to comment and share. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you build a profitable cleaning business. And if you are struggling to generate more leads for your cleaning business, we put together a free video resource on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like to download that, there'll be a link in the description below where you can access that video. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.